Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get banned blocks in Minecraft. These special blocks are not usually available in regular survival play, making them quite unique. Players often seek them out for creative building projects, designing custom maps, or experimenting with game mechanics. We will explore the main ways to acquire these items, focusing on commands and the creative inventory. One of the most direct ways to get special blocks is through commands. The /give command allows you to add items like command blocks or barrier blocks directly to your inventory. For blocks that cannot be held, such as portal blocks, the /setBlock command lets you place them at a precise location in your world. Remember, using the correct block identifier is key for these commands to work. Creative mode offers a comprehensive inventory where you can find most blocks without commands. For Java Edition players, the debug stick is an incredibly powerful tool. It allows you to alter a block's properties, such as its facing direction, whether it is waterlogged, or its specific shape. You can get this stick by typing /give at sdebug_stick into the chat. These special blocks open up a world of possibilities for your Minecraft creations. They are perfect for crafting intricate custom maps, adding unique decorative elements to your builds, or conducting interesting experiments. Just remember to be mindful of server rules if you are playing with others, as some blocks might be restricted. Also, always make sure cheats are enabled in your world to use commands successfully.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.